to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I will be talking about the new Morphe 39S palette. Look at this beauty. So this video is not like a review or anything. It's just a makeup tutorial using this palette so you guys can see it in action. This palette is absolutely stunning. You get a lot of shades. It's affordable. The shades are super pigmented, blend very nicely, and I was able to do this very pretty look with it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching. You guys, I'm so excited for today's video. I'm going to be using the Morphe 39S palette. There are 39 shades in this palette, ranging from mattes to shimmers, and there's actually even one pressed glitter right here, which was kind of odd to me, but you know, whatever, the more the merrier. And all the shades in the large pans are all toppers. So to start off, I'm gonna go into this pink shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corners of my eye. It's gonna be like my inner corner transition, if that makes sense. First, I'm gonna be packing it on, then blending it out. These shades are so pigmented and easy to blend. Now for the outer portion of my eye, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Now I'm gonna go into this pink, and I'm gonna apply that to the inner corners of our eye. In the inner portion. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about when I talk, because I feel like when I talk, it don't make no damn sense. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply this deeper purple. It's almost like kind of indigo to the outer portion of my eye. I'm gonna do a half cut crease. I know you guys are probably tired of me doing these, but I'm sorry, they're just my favorites. So on my lids, I'm gonna be applying this baby pink shade. So on top of that, I'm going to be applying this pink shimmery topper. The camera is not doing it justice. This is so beautiful in person. Now I'm just going to apply that deeper purple we did at the outer corner of our eyes, towards a little more towards the end, so that everything blends nice and well together. This shade, I don't know what happened, but it is looking a little patchy, and I honestly think it's not the shade because it wasn't patchy when I first applied it. I think it's the base that I'm using. Okay, so I managed to fix it, and I can confirm that it was the base that was causing it to be patchy and not the actual shadow. I hadn't blended out the base properly, so what I did was I applied another layer of base towards the end of my eye, but I actually blended out properly, and the shadow applied perfectly fine. All right, so now I'm gonna apply lashes, and I'm gonna do these big ass lashes that I found on AliExpress. I've never worn lashes this big, so I'm a little nervous. We gonna see. We gonna see. You guys, they're nice, but they look like freaking spiders. Oh my god, look at the difference. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these lashes. Alright, so if I look like the Tin Man, it's because I accidentally mixed in way too much liquid highlighter with my moisturizer. But we're just gonna ignore that. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300. My Morphe sponge is dirty, so I'm using my Booty blender today, and it's just not the same. So for concealer, I'm using the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 300. Alright, so I set my face off camera. I'm going to line my waterline with black pencil. So I did set that black liner with some black shadow. I'm gonna do the same thing I did on the top of the eyes. I'm gonna do pink in the front and purple in the back. so now as an inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It looks kind of purpley pink. This is so pretty. It even has like blue reflex in it. And now I'm gonna bronze with my NYX Medium Matte Bronzer. Now for blush, I'm gonna use the Nars Exposed Cheek Palette. Should I still do a review on this? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna do this nude right here. For highlighter, I'm actually gonna use this gold topper from the palette. It's actually really pretty. It's actually really pretty as a highlighter. Just keep in mind that it is a little bit more on the glittery side. So for my lips, I lined my lips with the NYX Nutmeg Lip Liner, and I'm about to use the Sunday Funday Too Faced lipstick. Now I'm gonna go over that with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Diamond Milk. So that is it for this tutorial. Overall, I really love this palette. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.